Right, and now let's examine a couple of recent trades that I did. So first of all, here's Costco. Costco kind of been chopping around a lot. So here I was not really looking at it. It was below this red line. Notice how it came up to the red line, got to the blue line here, and got shorted really strongly. But the new low was not made. So here's the previous low, a fresh low. After this, earnings gap, the fresh low was not made, and we kind of moved higher from here. And finally, right there, the breakout occurred. Let me mark it on the chart for you so that it's pretty obvious. There's the breakout. So once the breakout has occurred, we now can contemplate long positions. So I started to contemplate long position in Costco around here. Probably should have just immediately bought it down there. I bought it at around 171 or so, and then like literally 3 days later, it just popped on me. So I already sold half here, and I am trailing the rest basically. So this is a good example of a successful trade, and I am, this is how I usually, off late, that's how I've been trading. I see a breakout, I just buy the breakout, and usually, not always, results in my favor. So, again, no system is perfect, and I wanted to show you another trade that I just closed, but at a loss. So, here is the same thing. This is Gilead Sciences. Here is the breakout that I was waiting for, basically. Then afterwards, afterwards, I probably should have just immediately bought it. If I bought it like at the breakout and put my stop at the red line here below, then I would have immediately made money because it popped in my favor. I was like, I don't know, maybe I wait a little more. So it popped, up here, and I'm like, okay, I'll go enter on a pullback. So I went ahead and I entered exactly at this green line here. Notice that it went, and I put my stop at the red line. Now this is equity, and I probably should have put my stop even further here at the yellow line. I calculated my position and I saw how many shares I could buy. This is, I calculated to be stopped out at the red line here. So I did that. I was forced to close my position here. Notice that it's kind of still bottoming, and actually now doesn't look too bad. So let's maybe wait until another breakout, and we will reattempt again at around 77.80. So the way to look at it is, I've been trying to look at it instead of, oh, I'm fearful for my losses. I say, okay, I'm charitable for this loss. Just a different way of thinking. And also, I am greedy for my wins, and I say, okay, I have a good win. I already sold half. I'm grateful. I'm grateful for what I already have, and if I get more, I'll be grateful for that as well. So do you see how it's different? So we got greed is pushing the prices higher. Fear would be like pushing the prices lower, for example. So on this in this dichotomy, we can say that if we're winning, great, we're grateful for our winnings. If we're losing, we kind of consider it a charity, like an educational charity.